The cucumber family provides lots of our favorite vegetables, and I have a nice selection of different kinds right here. I'd like to say something about planting these in the garden, and particularly about buying these in the nursery. Now, I've got to tell you, even if you're a novice gardener, planting seeds directly into the garden for cucumbers and cantaloupes and watermelons and all the wonderful members of this family we can grow could not be easier. The seeds are large, they're easy to plant, they come up quite reliably. So mostly I would tell you, don't even think about transplants. Normally, just buy the seeds and plant them directly into your garden. However, buying transplants does give you about a 2-week advantage in time, saves you about that much time. If you want to buy transplants of these plants in your nursery, young plants are absolutely critical. Now, these are about ideal. Even these little baby ones right here are really a good size to plant. About the time they get their first true leaf and you see the second true leaf coming out, that's what time they need to be planted. Don't buy these plants when they've gotten big old leaves, when they started to run out of these cell packs, or even have flowers on them. They're way past their prime at that point. So this is what you're looking for. Now, one other thing, the growers oftentimes will plant 2 seeds in each individual cell to make sure at least one of them comes up. If you do buy these with more than one plant in a cell, make sure you reach in and pinch off the extra plant, leaving behind only one when you plant it. So this is a great time of the year to be adding these wonderful plants to your vegetable garden for production all through the spring and early part of the summer. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.